सजनी रे कैसे कटे दिन रात कैसे हो तुझसे बात. It starts from actually Madhubala ma'am, Ishwarya ma'am, Deepika ma'am, Alia ma'am. Hi, this is Nitanshi Goel and I'm with Brute.
कांस जाना है. What was your first reaction?
My first reaction was actually, firstly, very, very surprised and very grateful at the same moment because firsts are always special, and that too with L'Oreal Paris. It's a huge thing for me because I've always seen those iconic red carpet moments where Aishwarya ma'am on the red carpet, she's winning everyone's hearts and everybody, Deepika ma'am. So from watching there at my home and manifesting that I wish to have a moment like this, to actually being here and feeling this energy around, I feel very honored.
How much of the red carpet prep did you enjoy?
I think it was pretty hectic but full of butterflies because every look that we were going through, I wanted it to have something that is very close to me. It should be like, this is who Nitanshi is. But also I wanted to do a little experiment with the fashion. I wanted to also speak about Indian storytelling through my looks and just play with it.
So you started so young, Nitanshi. So how do you think that is shaping you, and not just an actor but just as a person as well?
Starting young, firstly, gives you the opportunity to learn a lot. I'm a very curious student. Any set I am on, I will make sure that I'm right next to my directors to see that what is happening on a set, what is being done, how are we taking the shot, and what all are people thinking about the scene, what inputs everybody gives. So starting young gives the opportunity to learn a lot, ask a lot of questions and be the curious student that I think I'll forever be.
So you started from Noida, right? You were in Noida and अभी मुंबई. तो वो सफ़र कैसा था और क्या-क्या किया उसमें?
I was very young, so I started off with this fashion show where I won the Pantaloons North fashion icon, and I was the young fashion icon there. And when I won that title, that's how I started getting ads and opportunities. And when I stepped into Bombay, I thought I'll do one show and then I'll probably come back to Noida. But Mumbai had other plans for me.
How did you get that show?
I auditioned for it, the simplest.
How was how did you get to know about the audition? Like, you always wanted to do something on TV. What was the story behind that?
So that happened because on Facebook so many audition and requirements would come, and my mom was like, she really wants to act and she really wants to dance and she just wants to perform. So why not let her do this? And karte it became one of my favorite things to do in life.
So because you started young, did you miss anything?
I feel very lucky that I get to live two lives. One is this normal student life who has friends, who lives her life, who has a lot of aspirations like any other normal human being. And the second one is the actor Nitanshi, who's on set, lines prepared and thinking about every shot and what to do, what to think. But then at the same time, I'm still the girl who has a lot of big dreams and is manifesting a lot.
So how did you manage your school and acting and things between them?
I used to carry my books on set.
So, and you used to go to school regularly and then shoots.
Whenever I would get time, I would attend school. Otherwise, I would always carry my books.
TV और films में काम करने में क्या difference देखा? Shoots में और?
Because I started from television, it created this very strong foundation. It's like the school which teaches you how to always be on toes, how to be very quick with scripts, because every day the episode has to be telecasted, and sometimes, in fact many a times, you get the script like 5 minutes before your shot and it's a huge monologue, but then you have to learn it, you have to deliver it, and when you start doing that, you can think much more about craft, you can think much more about, like, you're very quick with your craft. So that's one thing that TV taught me, and it has helped me and it has stayed with me.
What is more challenging, TV or film shoot?
I think when you love your work, nothing is challenging, because the challenges will come, and someone who, like, if you meet any actor out there, we're all very hardworking, and when we get a challenging thing, it excites us much more because we get to perform a lot better.
One role जो बहुत challenging था और बहुत demanding था, any role?
I feel every role takes something from you, but it also gives you a lot. For example, Phool from Lapata Ladies, she taught me tremendous hope. When I saw her journey, and now when I see the film and when I see people speaking about the character and how much it made them hopeful about life, that you should always be optimistic and you should always hope for the better, because, like, does become better when you're hopeful. It has taught me a lot, and that's how I think every character teaches you a lot. It takes something from you, it gives you a lot, and absolutely you learn something from every film, every project.
इतनी यंग एज में सारी स्पॉटलाइट आपके ऊपर है. So do you feel pressurized? Do you think that you have to, or it has become just your second nature now?
No, I have to tell you that if anyone comes to me and they've recognized me, it makes my day, because if I am getting to know कि मेरा किसी को हाय बोलना या किसी की तरफ बस स्माइल करके देखना उनका दिन बना रहा है, तो वो पूरी बात मेरा दिन बना देती है. मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है when people recognize me, they love my work, they appreciate me. So I am loving this positive attention and this love that I'm getting from all over the world.
Who's your inspiration in the film industry?
So many. It starts from Aishwarya ma'am. It starts from actually Madhubala ma'am, Aishwarya ma'am, Deepika ma'am, Alia ma'am. They're all so great, and I mean there's so many names. I can't just think of one. All of them have paved the way forward and have taken the India to the global stage. Priyanka ma'am.
How do you choose your roles?
I read the script. I am very fond of reading. So even if I think that I might not do the film, I will still read the entire film because I love reading. I will read the film, I will read my character, I will think about it, and I will study on the character if it's on someone, or if it's someone around me. I will observe and I'll take my call. Actually, when I read it and it touches my heart, I have to do it. That's how I know. It's the gut instinct.
एक जॉनर जो नेक्स्ट आप करना चाहती हैं?
एक नहीं, एक्चुअली बहुत सारे हैं जो मैं करना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स अगर मैनिफेस्ट करना ही है तो एक चीज़ क्यों, सारी चीज़ें ही करनी चाहिए. आई वुड लव टू डू अ बायोपिक, आई वुड लव टू डू अ हिस्टोरिकल ड्रामा, एंड आई वुड लव टू डू एन एक्शन फिल्म.
Everything is moving so fast. So how do you keep yourself grounded?
For me, it's like I manifest one thing, I work hard towards it, and somehow God gives it to me, and then I move on to the next thing. So I think even I am moving fast with it. And if I have to talk about staying rooted and everything, I have my family. Who cares if I've had dinner on time or not? So I have the correct people around me.
एक चीज़ जो आपके बारे में लोग बोलते हैं बट वो सही नहीं है. That's not a truth.
Actually, लोग मुझसे भी ज़्यादा जानते हैं. Usually people are very kind to me. And secondly, I don't think so. People have misconceptions. They know that I'm this sweet, innocent person who will speak her heart out anywhere. I'm happy that I get a lot of love.
अभी आगे का क्या प्लान है? कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट्स करना है या फिर सोशल इश्यूज पे मैसेज देते हुए कोई फिल्म्स?
Putting a film in a box is something that I won't do, because social film या commercial film, film जो लोगों के दिल को छू जाए is the best film out there. And in fact we've seen it in India that कितनी सारी फिल्मों को बाद में उनका वो व्यू मिलता है, क्योंकि वो फिल्में अच्छी होती हैं, अब लोग बाद में देखते हैं लेकिन उनको बहुत पसंद आती है. सो आई फील डूइंग अ गुड फिल्म दैट टेल्स योर इंस्टिंक्ट दैट लाइक यू हैव टू डू इट. योर इंस्टिंक्ट टेल्स यू दैट आपको ही करनी है फिल्म, भले ही फिर वो फिल्म कमाए ना कमाए, वो मुझे स्ट्रेस ही नहीं लेना. दैट इज़ डेफिनेटली नॉट माई थिंग. माई वर्क इज़ टू जस्ट वर्क हार्ड देयर, डू परफॉर्म वेल, एंड कम बैक and work on the next film.
And what's next?
Many exciting projects, many exciting films will be coming to you soon.
Thank you so much for speaking to Brute.
Thank you.